Whenever you're going somewhere new, you never know what's going to happen. You never know what to expect. You're venturing into the unknown.
That unknown thing, the darkness, the darkness visible and so on. There in the tombs stand the dead upright. Winds come up from the shore, they shake when the wind, old bones upon the mountain shake. All questions. The only reason you don't answer them is you don't want to know.
Torrential downpours, gale force winds, ancient castles, perfectly poured Guinness, spitting tubes. I mean, these are all the things you anticipate when you come to Ireland, and it was only a matter of time before we experienced all of it for ourselves. Through the media or stories of other people visiting certain places, you kind of get an idea in your head about what a certain place is like. And then you fly across the ocean and you're there and you realize that the picture that you have in your head is actually very much the reality. On this trip, Cody Thompson has just been super on it. Every morning he's up before everyone, ready to go in the car, which is just awesome. Quinny is just hilarious. He's always cracking jokes and being sarcastic, which meshes really well with all of us. And then we have Nate Zoller, and Nate's just really good to have along because he's so surf happy and just wants to be in the water and he's down to charge anything. I met Barry Mottershead in Scotland a couple years ago and he kept telling me to come over to Ireland, so we're here and he's showing us around.
Like where the right point ends, there's like a rock pile and then that comes off it into the end of the right.
He's an absolute legend in and out of the water. So the first day we got good waves, we pulled up and checked it with the boys and decided to go out. And it wasn't long before the guys were like halfway in their suits and you couldn't even understand what everyone was saying because everyone's talking at the same time. Everyone was so stoked. From land, the left didn't have much of a backdrop, so I felt it was really conducive to water photography. There was a channel right there, just literally right on the end of the left, so it was kind of like being a kid in a candy store. It was really perfect for shooting water. After that day, we were just completely exhausted, and we came home and reviewed the images, and that's always one of my favorite things to do because everybody kind of gets to see the fruits of our labor.
Tomorrow we're going to get up at 3:30, be on the road at 4. There's a couple secluded spots that Barry's telling us about that could have the potential to be super fun, so it should be really cool the next couple days.